Welcome back to Coast Live. It's time now for our Better Business Break. That's our monthly meeting to discuss topics of interest to local companies and nonprofits. Brought to you, of course, by Southern Bank, the bank of better business. Today, we are proud to spotlight the legal firm Swartz, Taliaferro, Swartz and Goodove in Norfolk. Joining us is attorney Michael Goodove. He's here to tell us more about their work. Mr. Goodove, it's great to speak to you today. Thank you for coming on Coast Live.
Great to speak to you as well. I was hoping I could be in the studio, particularly since it's Fat Tuesday and I saw that wonderful food coming out.
Oh yeah, so, you're missing out.
It's live in the studio when you have food like that.
Yeah, you know what? Next time we have you on, we'll try to make sure it's a food day. My apologies.
Absolutely.
For that.
You got a date.
No, go ahead. All right. Okay.
I said, you have a date. I'll be there. Let me know.
Yeah. Watch your email. So, Michael, what are some of the services that you provide at your law firm, sir?
Well, our firm is a boutique firm located in Norfolk, Virginia, and we handle cases all throughout Virginia. We specialize in personal injury as well as criminal defense. And so if it involves going to court, if you've been injured and wronged by somebody else, or if you've had any criminal problems, my partners are some of the best criminal lawyers in the area, and I handle the personal injury aspect and run the personal injury division of our firm.
Mr. Goodove, what kind of cases do you typically see in Hampton Roads? Like what stands out to you as the most common?
We do everything from an automobile accident to a premises liability case to medical malpractice, products liability, and we also handle a fair amount of maritime personal injury work. Anything that really involves injury, we have over 50 years experience doing that, and that's what we handle and that's what we specialize in.
And Mr. Goodove, I know that drunk driving prosecution is a big personal thing for you, and you were recently recognized by the Mothers Against Drunk Driving for your work in starting a chapter here locally in Hampton Roads. Can you tell us about what that issue means to you and your recognition by MADD?
Sure. I've been actively involved in the president of Mothers Against Drunk Driving here locally for the last 30 years. Unfortunately, my brother was killed by a drunk driver while he was a student at the University of Virginia, and so I was drafted into the cause long ago before dads or fathers showed up. When I showed up on the scene, they said, wait a minute, I thought it's Mothers Against Drunk Driving. What are you doing? And so I have worked extensively with victims, making sure that they're protected, as well as passing laws to deter and prevent other victims, people from becoming victims, to deter drunk driving.
And so when you're working with clients over the past few years, how has the pandemic affected the way that you do business?
Well, we've adapted like everybody else. I mean, we're available remotely by Zoom. We have kept our office open, although we rotated shifts to minimize the impact on the staff members here. But we have been operational since it started, but we've adapted like every other business. It really threw a monkey wrench into the court system. And so there had been tremendous delays with getting people justice because jurors were not able to sit during that time period. But we've continued to actively pursue our cases and represent our clients with the normal hiccups that are associated with COVID.
Mr. Goodove, if we've got anyone watching at home right now who needs legal help, when should they come to you and what can they expect if they do?
Well, what they can expect is honest and direct advice. We put ourselves in the client's shoes and give them the advice they need. We tell clients what they need to hear, not what they want to hear. And not only do we have an very active trial practice, but we also advise clients to help them make the best decision that's for their situation. And so we're available 24/7. You can ask any of my family members. I mean, I'll pick the phone up. And what differentiates our firm from other firms is you have direct access to a lawyer. I talk to my clients. I meet with my clients personally. Now, of course, with COVID, we did it through video, but I've brought any clients that have retained me through video in so that I can meet them personally, because I think the personal relationship is what is very integral into achieving the best result for our clients.
Yes, sir, I agree. Michael Goodove, thank you so much for joining us on Coast Live today, sir. I hope to speak with you again soon.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me, and happy Fat Tuesday.
Yes, sir, to you too. May there be many spoils.